Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was just wanting to share with you the You Are Enough card making workshop by Close to My Heart. Some of you may have gotten this kit already, and they do have a video. Close to My Heart came out with a video step by step of making every single card, and it is available on their I believe their Facebook page. Replay, but I'm just going to put together a couple. I've already cut all the supplies. I'm just going to give you a few tips to how I did it so that my cards were very quick and easy to put together. So once you start out, if you follow their instructions, it has you cut off the top of the papers. So you'll have these are called zip strips. So if you see that term, that's what that is. Those are on the pattern papers. You'll follow the instructions. When you get to the cutting part, it can get kind of confusing because, I mean, look at that. However, everything is numbered. So if it has a 5 on it, it's for card number 5. If it has a 1, it's for card number 1. So what I did, and this helped me a lot, is I had envelopes and numbered them. You can also do sticky notes and make piles if you have a huge workspace. I was limited on my space, so I numbered them at the top. And when you glue this down, no one's gonna see the numbers anyway. So as I cut the pieces and it said card 6, I just tucked it into card 6. This makes 2 of each card, including 4 bonus cards. And I already put together the bonus cards. Basically, they all have a very large butterfly on them. I used one of them, but here's what they look like finished. And here's another one. And this is kind of cute. They just kind of, the top layer just sits on top, so when whoever gets it can do that. It looks like it's flying off of the page. Okay, and then here's another one. And this one I added some of the glitter glue on top just to give it a little shine. Really pretty. Really pretty. I love the rose gold paper. So that's what makes it specialty. It was done on it has the rose gold paper. This kit is CC52119. If you're going to get it, they still have some available. Again, it's CC, so 2 C's, 52119. You can go to sweetpiecesbymee.closetomyheart.com. And that is my store page, so you can purchase it as a part of my workshop. That way I get credit. So I'm just going to put together a couple of these so you can see how easy it is once you have your cards numbered and laid out. Super simple. So this is card number 6. You just take a card. It comes with all the card bases, comes with envelopes. So you'll just fold your card base. And then I'm just going to take out my pieces here. I say it's very simple. This is like one of the not harder cards, but I would just say more involved cards because it has a lot of pieces. But it's beautiful. I love it. So you can put it on however you want. I'm just gonna go for it here. I kind of like it like that. You get it fairly even there. And then this dark piece is going to go on the bottom here. I don't know why my cards are like off a little bit. So there's going to go something's going to go on top of that spot. So I'm just going to space it out. Somehow it was a little long. Not sure why. Yeah, I'll just trim it. You can use scissors or trimmer. There you go. Just a little bit off there. Okay. These ones are going to be this side up. And it looks like I'm going to stamp a gem. And these need to be cut in half. Those are good to go. One of these is for the, actually, you can stamp the gem on white piece, it looks like. Kind of gives you some tips on what to do there. Just looks like these are on top of here. There's a light side and a dark side. You can use either one. I'm going to use the dark side. And it looks like this kind of goes, I don't know, you can kind of do it however you want. I'm going to probably use all of my diamonds. I like all of them. It shows one's kind of cut off, but you can do it however you want, right? It's your card. I'm going to do it 3 of them. And I'm using the dark pink side and the dark burgundy side. See, I think it's Sangria, the card. And I'm going to do, so mine definitely looks different than this other one. And that's okay. This is going to get cut off. So I'm just going to trim it right there. Dark pink side, burgundy side. Okay, now let's put that one on the end there. And I'll glue on it. Okay. Then you can put this on. It looks like the stamping is on this. It says You Shine. I don't know that I want it to say You Shine. I need a lot of thank you cards right now. So this is going to get covered up. So I'm just going to trim that. So I do need thank you. I'm going to use Sangria ink pad to match. And thank you. Okay, and it's nice and dark, so it'll show up good. Okay, and then this one goes on next. I'm just gonna line it up with the left side. This side is gonna get covered up, like I said. This kind of goes, okay, it shows it goes here. Since I'm off a little bit, I think I'm actually gonna skip that. I'm not gonna do anything with that right now. let me just check something here. I'm gonna probably make something different here. Let me see. This one goes here. I think, yeah, see, and then the gem, let's see, where's my gem? They used this gem. Well, I didn't say You Shine. If I did, I would do the gem because it's kind of like, you know, shine. So I didn't do the gem, so I'm going to leave that off. So I was off a little bit because it's my own design. So I could put that there. I'll just need to cut the bottom. And I think that would look okay. So let's try and just trim the bottom to match the blue. See, I think that looks fine. I don't think it had to be exactly like the picture. Here's the picture. Here's the picture. And here's my card. Let me get this on there. It doesn't have to be exact. That's what's fun about these card kits. It can be all different. Now there's like a little thing right here you can stick. I have some butterflies, which is really pretty. I'm thinking they're on other cards though. I've got Yeah, I've got another card that uses a couple of butterflies. I've got these really pretty sequins that it came with. There's some like whitish looking ones, and then there's some pink ones. I think I'm going to use one of these pink ones. Rose goldish kind of butterfly. And I'm just going to put that right there where that little spot was. Although the butterfly would look really pretty too. But I think that's used on another card and I don't want to use it. So there's the finished card. And then I'm going to do one more card just so you can see how easy these come together. I'm going to do number 9. Now, this could be the one where I had issues cutting. I was cutting very late at night, which I do not recommend because I was sleepy. So I think I cut it wrong. I might be thinking of a different card though. So let's see if this is the one I'm thinking of or it's not. Okay. Grab a card base. And so I dumped all my stuff out here. You know, it looks like it's just a lot of layering, which is really easy. So you're going to put this on the white and put the white on that. So I'm just going to go ahead and start doing it. You can also add, you know, some twine. If you have twine or ribbon that matches. This kit didn't come with any. It has the sequins. And I think that's nice because it's very sparkly and has the butterfly accents. And you get too much on a card, it looks like too much. Now, you can either do the light side or the dark side. I like the dark side because it really goes with that ombre effect. All right, then it has this piece, the blue side, which I think is pretty, and just kind of right there. Okay, and then this goes with this, and it says "You Shine." So, I think I'm gonna leave it blank. I don't know what I'm gonna do there. Normally I stamp. No, you know what? I'm gonna do "You Shine." I like it. Changed my mind. So I'll take my thank you off. I don't think I've used this stamp yet, so to season it, just takes off that like top layer and you can just rub it on your skin. Stamp it off a couple times. Again, I have the Sangria ink pad and all right, nice. Cover this back up. I like to cover my ink pad right away because something most likely will fall in it and then it will get ink on your card. And I'm going to take a piece of this foam tape, 3D foam tape. I know it's a big, huge piece. You could just use 2 tiny pieces. I don't want to smear the ink. Just did it. All right. And I'm going to stick that right there. And again, you can take the butterflies and stick a couple butterflies on there if you'd like, which I think I will do in the pink. So you want to, where did I put the pink ones? Oh, they're right here. Okay. And you can just put them anywhere. Really cute. I usually do them in 3s as well. That looks too evenly spaced out there. Oh, they stick really good. And one more, maybe right there by the "You Shine." There we go. Very easy. Oh, not done yet. Got to stick it on the base. I like to get the corners pretty good. And there you go. 2 quick, easy cards. So once you get everything cut, they come together very quickly. Super easy. Again, this is the You Are Enough kit by Close to My Heart. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.